Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn on Snap Windows in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first you can open your setting. I'm gonna search it, settings, and then hit enter. And then in the setting page, you can go to your system here in the left side menu. And then you can scroll down until you find multitasking, click on it. And then as you can see, there is option to turn on Snap Windows. So Snap Windows to automatically resize and arrange them into layout. So you can turn it on by click this toggle. And then also if you click this drop down, you have some option here like when I snap a window, suggest what I can snap next to it, and other setup here. You can just check or uncheck it, and yeah, it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.